Okay, I'm going to try to make this as steady as possible. Sorry if it shakes. So these are some of the ones that I like to make that are just super duper simple. It's just a tag, and you can use any size tag. This one's a little smaller, but I basically just fold it up about 2.5 inches or so, just like that. And usually these are tags that I've like practiced a technique on or something like that. So if you have a lot of those, are really fun. I just fold it up, glue it on the edges, put a cute little sticker or something on the front, these little clusters, and then just fill it with ephemera. So I always have like, I have a mess right now on my desk, but I always have like this little tray, and it usually has like little bits of ephemera and stuff on it that just kind of hang out in here. And I fill it up every so often because I have boxes and boxes of ephemera. Like, I'm not kidding, it's really bad. But I have boxes of ephemera and stuff like that, and I'll usually just put little bits in there. And then, so these are some of the simple ones that go out with like my junk journals, like these traveler notebook junk journals, which are in the shop if you want to grab some. And then this one is one that is from like, I think it's a Sizzix die that just has like little slots, and so I sewed it on a piece of cardstock, and it's nice because then somebody, whoever gets like a junk journal, they can use it in their junk journal. So that one has like a little card and then a bunch of tags in it. This one's like a little book, a little flip through book. Usually the ones that are a little bit bigger, a little more work, or like flip through books like this will go in bigger junk journals as a freebie gift. There's these two right here, and basically the way it works is it opens up like this, and it has like four pockets. So a pocket here, and then I fill that up. The more I fill, the more I give it. It usually goes like on a bigger item, the bigger items. This one's a fun one that's kind of one of my favorites. This one, it's super packed right now, but it kind of looks like this. You can make it to hold tea or whatever you want. Usually I'll put, as a gift, I'll put a tea bag in here, and then in here you can put a gift card. But I'll also do things like this where I fill it with ephemera. So there's a pocket there, and if you don't close it up, there's actually a pocket. I think this one I closed up, but usually I leave this part open right here, so there's another pocket back there, and then you have the main pocket here, and then you just close it up real cute any way you want. This one's kind of holds together by itself, closed up, because of the little things in here, but this one I just filled with more ephemera in the inside, and then just decorate it. It's really cute. And then I'll also give like tags that I've decorated and stuff like that in some of my bigger books, but it's fun. It's either that or I'll give like stickers or something. It just depends on what you purchase. You know, if you're a junk journaler, you usually end up one of these. Hope you like them.